A third lower is where the GIFT Nifty is opened. So pairing those losses, 0.18 down now, 26,130. The Nifty Bank is down 0.3%, 59,470, 480. But it's down, it's lower at the start, that is. The Sensex is down about a quarter. Mid-cap index is barely up, unchanged actually. And I think the small-cap index will also give you a sense of where we are starting. So are we headed towards another quiet day? We'll see. The Nifty heat map gives you a quick sense of where things are landing at the word go. So banks are under pressure. HDFC, ICICI, and Bajaj Finserv on one end. Asian Paints, SBI, and Bharti are opening in the green. So it's almost evenly split between what's up and down on the Nifty. 60 points lower to begin this trading session. So let's talk about stocks.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think what Vivek just was talking about, maybe that's what's playing out on HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank straight away. This whole calculation, new regulatory requirements need the weightages of huge big boy stocks to be reduced if that index has a futures contract on it, which is the case of the Bank Nifty. So because of what Vivek just explained, there will be a weight reduction in the Bank Nifty on HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank in favor of stocks like Union Bank and Yes Bank. So I think that adjustment has started playing out. Both those stocks are down between 1 to 1.5%. Should also pull up HDFC Bank, biggest loser on the Nifty right now. What else? Tata Motors is slightly lower, 0.5% down. There is Adani Ports, which is lower. Bajaj Finserv, Jio Financial, also on the lower side. Eternal is slightly lower. That's the losers list. Now let's talk about the gainers. Asian Paints, top winner on the Nifty this morning, about 0.6% higher. There's some buying in Bharti Airtel. Max Healthcare and Maruti Suzuki managing to put on a little bit of weight as well. IT is actually trying to fight back. So there's some green on Infosys, on Wipro I can spot early in the morning. But it's very, very mixed right now. Thanks to the big banks, the bias is definitely negative, and the Bank Nifty itself is down 0.4%. Nigel?
This particular announcement, though, it's expected.
Yeah.
And, that's where the street will align to it. So I don't think it's any kind of big negative or any kind of big rejig. And it'll happen over a period of time. That said, let's focus on a few stocks in the broader markets. MB Photovoltaic, well, that stock is up, close to around 5.5%. We just had the management with us. They're expecting to go with the current run rate, margins at around 33 to 35%. And the debt numbers come down to sub 100 crores, but they have a big capex plan going ahead. Stock is one of the big gainers, up close to around 5.5%. MB Photovoltaic, let's get that one up for you on the screen. Vodafone Idea, well, the street is taking the comments that came in from Mr. Scindia, taking note of it for sure. Stock is up close to around 3% as we speak. On the flip side, the large rate, fresh supply with regard to Bajaj housing, that's definitely plaguing the stock. Stock is down close to around 9%. JM Financial as well had a very, very good run, but that's coming for some profit taking. Stock is down close to around 20% from the recent peak. And some kind of mild profit taking on stocks that did well towards the final hour of trade yesterday. Physicswallah as well as Lenskart, both of them have come in for some very, very mild profit taking in today's trading session. What else? One of the unusual winners is Forgings. Stock is up close to around 9%, more than 1 lakh shares that are traded. So that's higher than what we normally see. Volume's not very, very large. One of the big underperformers that's spiked up in trade. TrueAlt Bio as well, another newly listed company that saw a sharp correction from the peak. Well, that as well is seeing a bit of a bounce up. Though out there, the only around 60,000 shares have got traded, higher than normal, but still not very, very high volumes. On the losing end, Thyrocare is down close to 5%, close to 1.2 lakh shares getting traded out there. And Hariom Pipes that bursted up yesterday, today it's come in for some profit taking. It's down close to around 3% or thereabouts. So net, as we did that market check, the Nifty has recovered from the day's low. The mid-cap index has moved to the high point of the day. And the Nifty Bank is cutting its losses as well.
Okay, I think, it's looking better than where we started the morning. About 0.14% lower. The Nifty Bank is down about 0.3% as well. Lots of individual movers we want to address in just a bit from now. And we'll do that.